Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul for you guys. Now, I know a lot of people are concerned when it comes to ordering from Shein because they are based out of China. I did check their website and I've ordered from them a couple of times too this year while all this virus stuff was going around, and I have not been affected. I've seen other people order, they haven't been affected. Their website states that they are good. I'll put up the screenshots of what it says and feel free to check out their website. Yeah, you guys, if you're one of those people who was on the fence about ordering from them, I would go ahead and order if you want to. If you're still not sure, I would just wait. Also, keep in mind, like a lot of your favorite brands like Pretty Little Things, Boohoo, they're based out of UK. The UK is highly infested with that virus right now. Also, Fashion Nova is based out of California. It's pretty bad over there as well too. So it's not just limited to China, but everywhere as well too. So just keep that in mind. If you're just not sure, I would just say wait until after all of this dies down. If not, you should be good. I've ordered this stuff. I'm still okay by the grace of God. Also, you guys, I applied for Sephora Squad. It will really mean the world to me if you guys will click the link in my description box and just leave a testimony on my behalf, letting me know how you enjoy my videos, how have my videos been beneficial to this community, to you. It'll mean the world to me if you do so. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not yet following me, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. And now let's get started. So the first thing here are these headbands that I got, and this is not what I ordered. So this is them. You get 2 in a pack. They're super cheap, but I literally cannot put this on my head. They did not put the elastic. I don't even think it was supposed to come with one, but I didn't realize that. But they did not put the elastic part, so this literally does not stretch, like neither one of them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these because I was planning on using them, like, you know, to wear as a headband, and there's no band. So I got these 2. The next thing that I got were these earrings right here. They look like this. They are so pretty. Okay, so these are definitely not your everyday earrings. These are huge, they are heavy, they are obnoxious, but they are gorgeous. I love these. Okay, so my next pair of earrings are these right here. It's these really pretty, it's another heart-shaped ones. I guess I'm really into hearts right now. So these next earrings are so pretty. They are just like gorgeous. Obviously with different makeup because this purple really clashes with this red, but these are definitely like a statement. Okay, now so that is it for my accessories. Let's go ahead and jump into the clothes. Starting off, the first thing is this outfit right here. So this is actually a full body suit, and I don't really like the way it fits on me just because the arms are a little tight right here. So I probably could have sized up if it comes in a larger size. If not, I just need to make my arms smaller by losing weight. So it's not the one you can wear with a bra. You would have to wear like a strapless bra with it for sure, because you can definitely see all of that. And I feel like if I pull it up anymore, then you start to see the sides here pulling out. So you would have to really make sure this is high-waisted. Then I have on this houndstooth skirt. I got this in an extra large. I don't know why I keep getting these skirts in an extra large because they do not fit, I mean, they do not fit my waist. Like, look at all this gaping right here. Like, I'm gonna have to get that taken in for sure to make this look a little bit more appealing. Then I got these shoes from Shein as well. I needed a pair of shoes like this. So I already have some shoes with a shorter heel, but I needed one with a little bit of a longer heel to it. Okay, so this is the next outfit. It is a full-on bodysuit that's a turtleneck, that's all white, and I paired it with this camel skirt. This is so pretty. It feels so, honestly, feels kind of fallish. So yeah, but this is a really cute combo. And then I got these white boots that I want to pair with it. Gorgeous. These shoes are comfortable. The shoes are from Shein, by the way. This is so pretty. Like, this is freaking pretty. I look cute. Okay, so this is the next fit. Let me start off with the bodysuit. I love it. This is a one shoulder green bodysuit. This is freaking gorgeous. Oh, yes. So I really, really love this. The skirt, not so much. Okay, so I got the skirt in the large because an extra large wasn't available. So now I know. When it comes to, like now I know for sure. When it comes to Shein skirts, I don't know. So the way it's sitting on my waist is how I would like for the other ones to fit, but then it's tight right here. I feel like I can't really pull the skirt down anymore. So this is what it looks like. All right, so I kept the same skirt on, but I changed the top. So it looks like this. It does have a zipper here on the side. I didn't need to use the zipper to get this on. This skirt is just a hot mess. Like, oh my gosh. Let me stand closer so I can't see it. But this top is gorgeous. I really do like it. It is a little loose here. I would prefer for it to be just a little bit tighter. But for the most part, it is a pretty top. I would probably wear this with one of like these skirts that actually fit, or it goes paired with a nice pair of jeans. So this is the top. All right, so this is the next piece. It's the snake print skirt, and I paired it with this black bodysuit that I already owned. This is actually very comfortable. The only thing I don't like is that on the website, the color of this skirt looked way more vibrant. Honestly, the skirt looks like it's been washed 10 times. Like, it's so dull. Like, it looks so lifeless. In the picture, it had more color to it, hence why I wanted to pair it with the black bodysuit, thinking that the black would match the vibrancy of this black. It doesn't, but still, to kind of make it work, I would pair it with these black shoes, so the black and this black can kind of go, and then this would just be on its own. So yes, this would look really cute with this outfit. Okay, so this is the next piece, and I am in love with this top. Like, so this is a bodysuit as well. So it has these little feathers. It's all, you know, bedazzled. Then this is the back. Bam! Look at that. That is so cute. That is so cute. I paired it with these pants that I got from Shein. Honestly, I should have went up to a size extra large. I don't know why I got these in a large. So if you do want this, I would say go a size up. So as you guys can see, it's not really pulling high-waisted the way I would like to with this. You can see the mesh back here, but other than that, this is really pretty. I can pair this top with anything else. Because it is backless, you do have to go braless, but because of the way the front is set up, like the front of the top, you can just go ahead and do like boob tape and pick it on up. So yes, this top is gorgeous. Let me back up so you guys can see the bottom full effect. All right, so this is the next top, and I just paired it with these jeans that I already have from Fashion Nova. This top is like a halter neck, so you could wear like a strapless bra with it. I didn't put mine on. I'm hoping that my nips aren't poking through. This is what the back looks like. It is a bodysuit. It is made of velvet. Okay, so this is actually the last bodysuit that I have. It's this pretty pink off the shoulder bodysuit. I love the arms, they're so free. This bodysuit is actually very comfortable. This is the back. This would look really cute with these earrings, right? Because the pink kind of goes, and then like the blue with the jeans. This actually does kind of look really cute. Okay, so this is the next top right here. It's actually really pretty. To be honest, I thought this was a bodysuit when I ordered it because it looked like one in the picture, but it was just tucked in. So I'm gonna do just that. And I like the way the model wore it with like a black pleather skirt. That's really, really cute. So this is it tucked in, and I like this much better. I love the sleeves. I love that it's kind of like see-through, and it has like those puff sleeves. I am really, really into the puff sleeves. I just feel like it does something different to the outfit. It really dresses it up. Love it. I would not pair them with these jeans, but I can't come on camera with no bottoms on. Okay, so this is the next top, and it is another velvet cami top. I paired it with these jean shorts that I got from Fashion Nova. This top is beautiful. It is just gorgeous. And look at the back, you guys. Ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Like, I love this top. I got it in a size large. Honestly, I feel like there's room to size down. The straps at the back, the tighter you pull it, you can get it to feel a little more firm on you. Wee! Whiz baby, you're looking delicious. You're looking scrumptious. Honey girl. Thank you. No pimple. Look at me. Help. I am somebody's wife. Hi, I'm somebody's wife. So this is the next piece. It is a velvet dress, midi length. It comes with this wrap right here that you can tie. I need to learn how she did it in the picture because this could easily make you look like you are pregnant when you are not. Maybe if I do it more to the side. This is the back of the dress. And I want to say you can go ahead and get your true size in this. If you want it a little more snug, you could probably size down. I got this in a large, and there's like a little bit of room here, but I want to be able to breathe. But if you want it a little bit more skin tight, you can go down a size. And it does have the adjustable strap, so you can make it feel a little bit more snug and more form-fitting. I haven't adjusted them, but when I do get ready to wear this dress, I definitely will do that. I freaking love this dress. All right, so this is the next piece. It is a tweed blazer vest. And I paired it with this black bodysuit that I already own with the jeans. Let me just say, I am that girl, okay? I am her. This is really, really cute. I love the way it kind of, it just slightly, ever so slightly kind of flares, and it always kind of gives the illusion of a little bit more. This is really pretty. You can button it up if you wanted to, but I don't want to wear it like that. All right, so this is the next piece, and this is cute. I will say it's a little tight in the arms, just a little bit. I mean, it's still doable to where I can wear, but this is actually really pretty. So it has all these pearls on here on the front. They are not on the back of the sweater, and then it has all these this feathering stuff. This is so pretty. This is obviously an item that you would have to dry clean because if you try to wash it, you probably might lose all your pearls. But yes, this is cute. I will say I see the feathers flying everywhere. What's going on? Oh, look at it. It's all over this black top. But this is really, really, really pretty. All right, so this is the last item of the haul. And it is this colorful sequin, I don't know, blazer, jacket, coat, whatever. It's this. I feel really cool in this. I can easily bend my arms in this. It's very just chill, kind of like, it feels chill, but it doesn't because of all the colors on here. It is really pretty. I love this. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of my clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. I'm ready to sit down. I'm really ready to sit down. Doing these clothing hauls take a while. Oh, hold on, Kia FaceTime me. I started filming this video at like around 1:40ish. It is now 3:19, so it takes a while. It takes some time to film this, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yet again, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. A lot of people watch my videos, but they're not subscribed, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.